Today we start with the union. The union is a special data type that is available in C that allow to store the different data type in the same memory location. Okay, so in a different data type we have to store in a same memory location. Like that of your structure, union is also that data type which is used to store the same type of information. Okay, ମାନେ ଆ ଭିତରେ କ'ଣ ରହିବ ନା ଆମେ ଯେମିତିକି ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚରରେ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଟାଇପ୍ର ଡାଟା ଷ୍ଟୋର କରୁଥିଲେ, ଏମିତି ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚରଟା ବି ଆମେ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଟାଇପ୍ର ଡାଟା ଟାଇପ୍ ଷ୍ଟୋର କରିବା। ବୁଝିଲା? ସେଠି ରହିଲା ଡାଟା ଟାଇପ୍ 1, ଏଠି ଆଇଏନଟି, କ୍ୟାର, ଫ୍ଲୋଟ୍। ବୁଝିଗଲା? ତ ଏଇ ଟାଇପ୍ର ଆମେ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ୍ ଷ୍ଟୋର କରିବା। ତ ୟୁନିୟନ୍, ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟୀ, ଆଇଏନଟି ଆଇଡି, ଦେନ୍ କ୍ୟାରେକ୍ଟର ସି ନେମ୍, ଏଠି ଫ୍ଲୋଟ୍ ରହିଲା ସାଲେରୀ, ଯେମିତି ଆଗରୁ ଆମେ ଡିଫାଇନ୍ କରିଥିଲେ ଏଠି ବି ସେମିତି ରହିଲା ଆଇଏନଟି ଆଇଡି, କ୍ୟାରେକ୍ଟର ନେମ୍, ଦେନ୍ ଫ୍ଲୋଟ୍ ହେଲା ଆମର ସାଲେରୀ ଏଠି ଷ୍ଟୋର କଲା। ଆମେ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଟାଇପ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଡାଟା ଷ୍ଟୋର କରିପାରିବା। ଏଠି ଆମେ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚରର ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ମୁଁ ଏଠି ଶୋ କରୁଛି, ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ୍। I run the file here. Now I run the file first, then build failed. Some hidden symbols present. फास्ट मो डिफाइन कली कौन यूनियन डिफाइन कराला लाइक स्ट्रक्चर यूनियन, then union data type is data, int I, float f, then character string, then union, then object union data। तो यूनियन जो डाटा टाइप टा डिफाइन कराला तार ऑब्जेक्ट डिफाइन कराला रेफरेंस वेरिएबल डिफाइन कराला डाटा, देन ए यूनियन रे हमें वैल्यू स्टोर करया पे यूज कले डेटा डॉट आई 10 स्टोर कले आको एठी प्रिंट कले, फ्लोट वैल्यू पे डेटा डॉट ए फ्लोट वैल्यू स्टोर हला, स्ट्रिंग वैल्यू पे हम एठी यूज कले strcpy जेमति कि हमें स्ट्रक्चर रे यूज करथले strcpy, एठी भाबे सेमति यूनियन पे डिफाइन कले स्ट्रक्चर cpy सी प्रोग्रामिंग, तठी मोर वैल्यू टी शो कला। बुझेला?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
এটা হচ্ছে আমার यूनियन डाटा टाइप रा काम এটা। I'll check. Okay, so now here another example. Union job, character name is 32, float salary, int worker number. So here I have defined 3 variable. Then here I define the union object. So union and structure, see there, it is our structure defined karala. Structure job, it is contain a different data type, then structure variable. Okay, so it is showing you the size of the union and size of the structure. So you can say union is same and structure is same, then why you are using union? So if you compare, if you run this program, you understand it, the size of the union is 32 byte, where structure same variable we have defined, the structure contain the 40 bytes. It means what? When you are differentiate between the union and structure, union contain the lesser size than the structure. Okay, the structure tharu se lesser size ethi se contain karibo. That is the work of your union. बुझेला union और structure a difference?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I move to the C programming input and output. When you say input, it means to feed some data into a program. An input can be in the form of a file or in the form of command line. Through the command line, you are giving an input. Like you are using what? Printf, scanf. It is used to go for the input. When we say the output, it means it displays some data on the screen, printer or any file. C programming, it provides the set of built-in function to output the data on the computer screen as well as to save it in the text or binary file. Okay, when you say the input, that means you are giving an input through the screen. And when you talking about the output, you are giving the output through the what, like printf. Input टा हमें printf scanf करके हमें variable store करिवा. ଆଉ तार जो output टा आसिवा as a operation हमें पुनी printf करके दिखेगा. So in the C programming, some kind of standard files we are using. C programming treat all the device as files. हमें जो भी device हमें use करूचे ताको as a file बोले से consider करिवा. So devices such as display address in the same way as the file, and the following three files are automatically opened when a program executes. When you are giving a standard input, we are using std in through the keyboard. When you are using the output through the screen, we're using standard output screen. Okay, std in is used for keyboard input. Std out is used for giving a output on the screen. So if there is any type of error is present, so you can handle that error by using of stder. देखो input पे हमें std in यूज करियो फाइल input पे, आउटपुट पे हमें std out यूज करियो, एंड जदि किसी स्टैंडर्ड एरर अछि से एरर टा को हमको हैंडल करियो को हेले हमें std err हमें यूज करियो, दैट इज ए हैंडलिंग स्टैंडर्ड एरर. बुझेला?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then we comes to the part of get char and put char function. The int get char function read the next available character from the screen and returns it as an integer. The function reads only a single character at a time. At a time only you have to read a single character. You can use this method in the loop in the case you want to read more than one character from a screen. The int put character function, it is used to pass a character on the screen and return the same character. This function puts only single character at a time. The get character function read the next available character. Character टा हमारा यदि अच्छी ताको read करके show करिवो. Put character put the what? It function put the pass character to the screen and return the same character. This function puts only single character at a time. You can use this method in the loop in the case you want to display more than one character on a screen. यदि मु more than one character screen रे display करेको चाहूँची, so here I use this put character method. Then now I will show the example of what is the work of this get character. Now check here. I define here the variable intc. Then it is asking you enter a value. So what are the value you have entered? It is received through the get character method, and it is showing you have entered this value. Now check here. Enter a value. I pass here 9. That is showing you have entered the 9 value. I pass here 896, but it is display you 8. As because it is used to take a single character value.
Single character.
Okay, so it is take the single character value. Similar way, get character where enter the value, by the put character it is display the single character value. Now we are using gets and puts function. The character get function, it reads a line from stdi in into the buffer point to by s until either the terminating a new line or end of a file. The int puts function write the string s, a trailing new line, to standard. So here the get character function read a line from a std in, and this puts function write a string s. Okay, so write a string and it convert to the trailing to the new line. So I will show the example, then you understand it. So it is asking you enter a value. It's showing you have enter welcome. Okay, that is multi character pass कले भी एठा value नोच ମୁଁ ଲେଖିଲେ ହାଇ ମହେଶ ତ ଏ ଦୁଇଟା ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ବଦଳିଲା। ସେଠି କ'ଣ ହେଉଥିଲା ଆମେ ଯାହା ବି ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ଏଣ୍ଟର କରୁଥିଲେ ସିଙ୍ଗଲ କ୍ୟାରେକ୍ଟର ନଉଥିଲା, ଗେଟ୍ କ୍ୟାରେକ୍ଟର ପୁଟ୍ କ୍ୟାରେକ୍ଟର। ଏଠି ଗେଟ୍ସ ଆଉ ପୁଟ୍ସ ରେ ଆମେ ଏଠି ମଲ୍ଟି କ୍ୟାରେକ୍ଟର ନେଲେ, ବୁଝିଗଲା?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Then next, so here we are using printf and scanf. The int scanf function read the input from the standard input stream just a minute. The scanf function read the input, as you know, that from the standard input stream std in, and printf function is used to write the output of the stream. The format can be a simple constant string, but you can use percentile s, percentile d, percentile c, and percentile f. So to print or read the string, integer, character or float respectively. तो आमे जेमते यूज करथले printf and scanf, so we are just familiar with it. Printf is used for display the data, scanf is used for taking the input from the user. Okay. Then you know this part, printf and scanf, you are just familiar with it. So enter a value, good single value r just a minute. Suppose ମୁଁ pass କରିବି age 13 14 ହେଲା, as we are passing the two value, string ପାଇଁ age ନେଲା, value ପାଇଁ ଏଠି 14 ନେଲା, ବୁଝିଲା?
Okay.
Okay. तो ଏଇଟା ଆମର ହେଲା file input output ro. Okay, so in next class I'll go for the file operation. The last class of file operation, जैसे कि हमें file input output करिवा, केमती file read करिवा, write करिवा, बुझिला?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So Friday से evening में connect करिवा 8 टा. Okay, चलो. दिशा फ्राइडे अटेंड कर पाइबा तुमे?
सर केते बेले?
राति रे 8.
हाँ सर, सर देखे.
तुमने कंफर्म करिवो लास्ट.
यस सर.
कंफर्म करिवो टिका आगुआ हैला.
यस सर.
Okay.